Tuesday. For this week's Toy Review Tuesday, we got the Noms Light Mega Pack. And we thought these were really cool because once you have these mysteries, and they say they have 12, but you actually get 10 because you get, as you can see 2 already. So we're hoping we get some cool ones. I got the Series 2.
And I got the Series 3.
And they come with this cool little ice pack storage case. And we thought they were awesome too because once you have them, they hopefully don't get lost. And you can just put them back and slip them back in there when you're done. We're hoping we can get some special editions, and let's get started. So let's get these open and see what we got.
Those are hard to open today.
Who's going first? Oh man.
They come in these little packets.
Oopsie. So these are all my Num Noms and my display case. And one cool thing about it is there's cutouts in the back of it so you can hang it on the wall. my Nom Noms in their display case, and we thought they were really cool opening them up, and we are so excited to go and play with them, and we hope to collect more soon. Thank you for joining us for Toy Review Tuesday. And if you had one of your favorites and you collect these, comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification button to stay tuned for more Toy Review Tuesdays. Peace out. And it's all day. This filming was delayed because of this.
Get a good shot of that.
He's trying to vacuum.